Okay, welcome back to Make It Go. When the last time we started building a system for storing and retrieving notes, we got to the point where we could sort of save them and sort of retrieve them. So I'm going to be finishing them retrieving them, and then we will start building more off that. We may actually, in an episode or two, get to the point where you can watch me fiddle around in JavaScript and HTML and CSS. Oh boy, are you guys for a treat there as you get to watch me blindly flail around at some languages that I don't particularly enjoy. That's why most of this has been in a statically typed language that doesn't let me get away with too many shenanigans. They are by far my preferred languages of choice. So, back to my statically typed language where I'm playing on the boundaries. Okay, got the note. We need the parent ID. So at this point, I don't believe we saved one. Let's write a test, or change our test to make sure. Okay, well that should fail. There you go. Well, that's error. Column subject relation note does not exist. Find note. The create exploded because I didn't do what I said I was going to do. Drop table notes. Drop table note, go, bam. There we go. Create table note. I just ran some SQL commands on my secondary monitor. Let's see it fail for a reason that we expect. Bam! Assertion failed. Okay. Here we go. There's the assertion that failed. And a note. Note dot set. Move a little thing so I can get my hands on the keyboard. Note text. Result set dot get string. Note. Comma note. Now then, set subject. Subject. That's the problem getting off the home row. Subject. Subject. Oh. Sorry, there we did it. Reset my tomato timer. Here we go. Subject. Subject. For a bit, this is going to be a bit mundane, watching me do some silly things. Subject. You might be asking, well, you wrote a front controller, why aren't you writing something that automatically boxes and unboxes stuff for you? Which I might actually go do. But for now, I want to make some progress so it looks like, I'm actually building towards something. So we're going to write a couple of these, probably, and an authentication system. So write my notes, write my authentication system, then I'm going to go back and clean up all of this, because I don't particularly like how this is working at the moment. And we'll make it better, I think. Okay, there we go. Now then, we got note ID, parent note ID. I don't have parent note ID. This one should be null. And I'll probably have to cast that to integer. No. That is not even close to what you wanted to do IntelliJ. Okay. I'm gonna have to write another test to get that to tell me that I need to do that. Okay. The best I could do for the dates are assert that note dot create time is no. This gets wrapped in a not. Not is null. It is not. This gets to be a date. I could do something along the lines of testing that it is today, but that create time is going to be milliseconds apart. Was not. No, is null. Really? Create time. No, is null. Create. No. Create time. Current timestamp. Not is null. Was null. Really? Right, because I'm not mapping it. That is going to be the distinction. So this is a timestamp. Create time, go. And do the same thing for mod time. I know it's not exactly as precise as they should be, but it's a start. There we go. Mod time, create time, subject note. The only thing I don't have in there is parent note ID. Mode time. It's not mode time, it's mod time. As in modified time. Mod time. That should probably be last mod time or something else, but I'm leaving it as mod time. Doesn't mean anything. Look, I made a questionable decision, but I'm sticking to it because I'm an adult. Okay. We're gonna call this parent. Yeah, parent note. Paranet. Paranet. Paranet, no, parent. Parent? Parent. Okay, now then we're going to say note. Child to save. Set text. Child note. Set subject. And then subject, child note. Subject. Set parent note. Alrighty. There we go. And we're gonna save that sucker. Ideally, those should have been separate tests, but I'm not gonna bicker about it because it's simple. You save a child, you save a note, that'll test everything. There we go. Now then, we do basically all of this again. Actually, all I care about is this bit. And this should be parent. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys something neat. So getInt doesn't actually handle integers. Look, I broke the first test. Node ID not found in this result set. Oh. Column name parent. No, was not found in this result set. Why wasn't it found in this result set? It's right there. But you have some invalid C. Whoa. It's weird that it did something there. There you go. It was null, but was 0. Okay. So then we have to come after here and be all like, hey, if result set dot was null, dot set parent ID no. I don't know why they didn't give me a get integer cap or I integer and spell it out all the way, but they didn't. So now, there you go. That's that. That makes me laugh. There we go. We have create note, find note. So now, we need an update note, and we will have built everything we need to talk to the data layer. Yes, we will. And isn't it gorgeous? So, there are only 3 things on a note that you can update. Well, 2 things. The subject and the note text. So the time you created it, you can't update. The update time you can't update. You can't change its parent, because I'm not going to allow that, because that doesn't mean anything. Well, not in an update. We'll make that a different level operation. Actually, you could do that. And the parent. So you can change the parent. I can change the parent ID. I can change the thing. And I can change the thing. So that's 3 things that I can change. So, update note. Actually, I'm not even going to do that. I'm not going to do the update case for now, because step 1 is build the basics. So now, I have a create note, I have a find note, and I have a note. Okay. Fix connection. Note. There we go. We've hidden some nasty things. So now, that's my notes. Let's put another packet in here. We'll call it web. We'll make a note endpoint. It gets an at endpoint on it. /note. We're gonna make it an interface because I can. Ha ha ha. Public void handle get. Oh wait, I don't need this public here. Handle get. That is no, that's a method. That's the get method. And this is going to be handle create. I'm going to use the method create because I think that's nice and appropriate. Great. Now I need 2 little dudes to dispatch off to. I'm going to go grab this bit. This bit. I'm not going to remember off the top of my head. Why you have that in there? Go away. I've written that like once. There you go. Great, great. JSON renderer, that's what I want. Now I need to make a static import for that. Test endpoint. Nah, we don't use test endpoint. So we're going to make a little dude over here in web. Actually, not in web. Do Java class, create note use case. I'll call it use case. How about note creator? So create note is just the raw DB layer that does it. Note creator, this guy that's going to handle the connections. We can actually go and put this stuff. Data. So this guy implements executable. He's going to get an interface, a public interface. Interface, public interface. Request. Well, note creator request. It's going to implement, it's going to extend request. Make this guy one of these. Put the class, implement method. Here we go. Public static class response. I'm going to return the ID. That's it. Node ID. We're going to make that final. Add a constructor. Getter. At identifier. Node ID. Create note. It's going to be a type create note. It's got an HTTP code. It's going to be 200. Success! Okay, we created a note. There we go. So now, in order to create a note, I need two things. I need the integer get parent node ID. Yeah. Lowercase d, be consistent on my outward-facing API. And I need the string subject. I need the string text, or note, subject, note. That's it. Okay. Now we're going to come over here. Go back to our tests. We're going to move this in a clever level. I'm basically going to copy it verbatim because I need to be in a transaction now. Well, not verbatim. I'm going to have to make it return something. Ooh, Java class in transaction. Run consumer. Okay. Now we're going to make this a function. We're going to put type over here. T. Other way around. Other way around. T dot apply. Other way around. Sorry, generics confuse me a lot some days. So now we are going to have a T. D result. Result equals. We're going to return that result. And if we don't return that result, we're going to throw a legal state exception E. Haha. Equals null. this is mad because it's not type D. There you go. You can return one thing out of your function. You don't need null. Uncommit false. We're gonna have a commit. That was roll back. Okay, node creator. So now we're gonna be all like in transaction. Run. Ah yeah. Return new response. We're gonna put that one for now. New create note. We're gonna make a new note. Into that note, we're going to set the parent ID. That comes out of the request. Get parent ID. We're going to set note.set text request.get note. I don't know why I abandoned bean convention. Get subject, set subject. There we go. So now we have a note. Set subject with the parent. Set that. There we go. It would be up to me to perform some additional validations. Like you don't get to save notes with null subjects and null text. Null note. Which I should do here. Or I should make it so that my request understands it. So now let's go into web. It's this guy. Class. So now then. Let's go fire off a create request. Clean build. Now we find out if I actually have anything even remotely usable that I can fire off an HTTP request in an easy way with. I might end up pulling in jQuery in a second here, because that's the easiest thing I can think of to go pull in. Because I'm just going to be like, hey, go call an AJAX request. We'll pull that in for now. Hosted libraries. I'm going to use jQuery. Please don't yell at me. Look, I have stuff. I'm webifying. I should probably also pull in better tools, but if I pull in better tools, what will you think of me? To make it go. There we go. We have. Okay, that's all we needed is this inspector. We have a $sign. Excellent. $sign. .ajax. Method create. URL. That's /API / what did I call it? Endpoint. Nope. Then we're going to put a question mark, subject, less subject equals hello and note equals a note. Okay. But I don't need success response. Just fire it off. Yelled at me. 404 not found. Ah. Because I don't need that slashy. Bam. Let's go look at network. Response note, 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 note. Okay, that's telling me I never bound it. Because, right, no one ever uses this class. So we go to our front controller. Da-da-da-da-da! Then we view. Okay. Extract that class. Should I make those implement something? No? Why are you mad? Ah. Question mark. Stop. Stop. I'll stop that other thing too. Build. There we go. So this is starting to already be gross. I now need a different way of handling that. There's two things in there, and I don't like that my front controller knows about everything in my system in this manner, with the direct imports. That kind of bothers me. So we need a way of separating that out. I'd add it to the notes, to my to-do notes, but I don't have any in this system yet. Okay, there we go. Now then, come back over here. Let's see it go. I got a 500 server error. No, no. Wow. Make it go, no create request. Why did we get a class cast exception? Okay. No creator. No creator request. No creator request. Handle. Invocation. Friend request type. Cannot cast. No creator request. Proxy. So now, that's a bit weird, because I've seen that work. Okay. Public settle problem yet. Because it built the proxy. Did it? Yep. We're going to switch to debug mode, and we're going to look at that real fast, because, hey, something weird happened. I like weird things. I can only handle 2 things, strings and integers. Executing handler. Put a debug point there. Send it up again. What type was it? Request. So it's to make it go execute handler $sign request. Okay. Now we're gonna come out here. We're gonna go look at all these guys because it looks like it grabbed the parents. Haha, it grabbed the wrong one. Neat. We don't care about the lambda. We want this one. Okay. Now then, I have... That's interesting. Okay. Go away. Go away. Okay. Now I need to pick... So I can't find first. Okay, I need to sort it. I need to get the furthest from request. That's an interesting question. How would I do that in a stream? Actually, I could just provide the filter and say where it isn't request and never let you actually pull the one that says request. Make you form your own degenerate one? Yeah, I'm gonna do that, and we'll see if we'll break any tests. Filter C dot equals request dot class, and we're saying not. She's not equal to that. Stop. Run all the tests. Okay, he says you should be able to do that. Which I agree you should be able to do. Okay. So I need to sort it by it not being that one first. How do I do that? I need a sort. Well, because it's not alphabetically, it's based on your parent? Now that's an interesting question. Dismiss, go away. So, just so that I can get something on the page, I'm going to do that for now. I have a broken test. It'll yell at me. I just want to see this bit work. And then check my database to see if I've inserted anything in there. But I don't think about that, because that's an interesting problem. Oh no, my test failed. We'll have to go comment that out. Actually, I should have enough up. Right? Nope. Okay. Yeah, that's a neat thought. I like that. Classification handler. One of you failed. No. Executing handler test. You failed. We're gonna ignore. Okay. So now I have to figure out how to not get the request if it's present. I don't know why it's a declared method, though. Well, it's because that's something you learn something every day. I like that. It's a thought. Okay. 200 was good. Hello, not a note. Preview. Nope, 39. So now let's go over to my data grip. That's not data grip. This is data grip. Okay. Select star from note. Ta-da! It's got no parity, it's got a create time. Nope. Hello? Sent up. Nope. Subject hello. Nope. Oh, nope. There you go. I can save notes. Hooray! I have a weird bug I need to figure out. Hooray! I also need to replicate it in a test, which is going to be a bit more interesting because given my executable method execute request expected, do these both actually return? Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling at me. My request. So this one worked. I wonder why that is. I can also just be like, nope, you don't get that. Which I think is what I'm going to do. Real fast. So you have to extend it, but you cannot be it. Invalid. Not that one. That is an executor. Okay. There we go. Everything passes. It's a bit odd. Benefits of playing when you're thinking, you get to see interesting problems. Okay, so then we have a note creator. We need to go build the guy that fetches it, a guy that will list them out, and then we'll have to start build from there. So right now I can save notes in a relatively painless way. Thank you for watching. This has been To Make It Go. Have a nice day.